Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Choral Publication Eco Tour, a book of Environmental Studies, Class 4. Hello, my dear children. Let's start with chapter number 8, that is senses of touch and smell. Our sense organ help us to know everything that happens around us. We also learn to differentiate things either by touching, smelling or feeling them. तो children, you all know कि हमारी body में कितने sense organs present हैं? There are 5 sense organs which are present in our body, like our eyes, which is window to the world, ears, जिनके through हम सुनते हैं. Then we have nose, जो कि हमें smell करने में help करती है. Then we have tongue, जिसे हम taste कर सकते हैं. And lastly we have skin, जिसे हम feel करते हैं. We all identify various things around us by using our sense organs. They also help to know if a person or thing is good or bad for us. This helps us to behave differently in different situations. We have 5 sense organs. कौन-कौन से हैं? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. The 5 senses are for sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. Nerves are present in all sense organs. The nerves in the body are like wires which carry all kind of messages to the brain from different parts of the body. In return, brain tells the body what to do according to the situations. तो जितना भी हमारे sense organs कैसे work करते हैं, they work through nerves. Nerves ही वो चीज है जो messages को लेकर जाती है brain तक. Brain उसे interpret करता है और उन्हें बताता है कि हमें इस केस में क्या काम करना है. Let's get started. Write the name of sense organ related to these activities. Smelling a tasty food. तो कौन सा sense organ involved है? It is your nose. ऐसे ही बाकी के sense organs के बारे में आप यहाँ पे note down करेंगे. Life skills. All kind of touch are not pleasant. Some of them make us feel comfortable. Don't hesitate and tell your parents and teachers about it. Now teaching tips. Aware all the students about the sense organ and also motivate them to clean their organs carefully. Sense of touch. Now touch is the name given to the action of putting our fingers or hands on something. When we touch something, the nerve ending in the skin sends signals to the brain. तो कोई भी चीज बच्चों जब हम टच करते हैं, हम किसके थ्रू टच करते हैं? अपनी स्किन के थ्रू. तो स्किन से ही जो नर्व्स हैं वो मैसेज को लेकर जाती हैं ब्रेन तक. These nerves carry the message to our brain. फिर ब्रेन उस चीज को इंटरप्रेट करता है, हमें हेल्प करता है to identify the object. We can also touch something and tell what it is. Visually deprived people move around by touching and feeling things. The result of touch is called the sensation. भाई अगर आपकी मम्मी ने hot glass of milk दिया है तो उसे टच करते ही आप कहोगे मम्मी it is very hot. और वहीं अगर आपको कोल्ड मिल्क दिया है तो उसको टच करते ही आप बता सकते हो इट इज कोल्ड. सो बाय टचिंग वी कैन फील द सेंसेशन एंड कैन टेल द थिंग हाउ इट इज. Some areas of our body are more sensitive to touch than other. That is why we feel ticklish when someone touches a sensitive part of our skin. Skin is the largest organ of the body. बच्चों आप देखो आपके हेड से लेके टो तक ये ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट होता है, इसीलिए इसे largest organ of human body कहा जाता है. The color of the skin we get from melanin, a natural pigment present in our skin. The more melanin on the body has the darker skin. So you should always respect other skin color क्योंकि वो उनकी चॉइस नहीं है. It depends on the melanin production. जितना ज्यादा बॉडी के अंदर मेलानिन का प्रोडक्शन होगा उतने ही ज्यादा डार्क जो है वो स्किन होगी. Life skills. Put a cross against those things that should not touch. तो नाइफ को हमें नहीं टच करना चाहिए. आयरन, इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन को भी टच नहीं करना चाहिए. सॉफ्ट टॉयज को टच करना चाहिए. कैक्टस प्लांट को नहीं करना चाहिए. सिमिलरली मैच बॉक्स को भी हमें टच नहीं करना चाहिए और हॉट वेसल्स को भी टच नहीं करना चाहिए. गुड एंड बैड टच. अ टच विच मेक्स अस हैप्पी is called as a good touch and the touch which does not make us happy and make us more uncomfortable is called a bad touch. तो children you should have a knowledge कि कौन सा टच अच्छा है और कौन सा टच बैड है. Any touch that makes the child happy or secure is a good touch. A touch that makes a child uncomfortable, afraid and nervous is a bad touch. Sometimes a touch can make you feel uncomfortable, fearful and unsafe. तो ऐसा टच जिसकी वजह से हम unsafe फील करते हैं उसे हम बोलते हैं bad touch. You should keep away from such people. Talk to an elderly person or your mother about it. Be careful what you touch. Many times your elder tell you not to touch certain things. This may be because these things are dangerous and you may get hurt. You must touch things that you are asked not to do. तो ऐसी चीजों को जो हमारे elders, जो हमारे बड़े मम्मी पापा मना करते हैं कि हमें टच नहीं करनी चाहिए, उन्हें हमें टच नहीं करना चाहिए because we can get hurt from them. Have you ever felt some part of your hand or finger is more sensitive than others? Do you know what happens to your finger in cold weather? So children, you will write it down in your practice notebook. Weather also affects the way we feel. In extreme cold climate, people wear gloves to cover their hands or their fingers might become numb. तो क्या होता है, सर्दियों के मौसम में हम क्या पहन के रखते हैं? ग्लव्स पहन के रखते हैं ताकि हमारी फिंगर्स जो है वो नम ना हो जाए. For example, we can feel the heat when the weather is very hot, and we can feel a sharp burning sensation if we touch a hot pan. We can also feel the difference between soft and hard material. इसी से ही हम distinguish करते हैं कि कोई चीज hard है या soft है by the feel of touch. Sense of smell. Sense of smell and touch are very useful. These smells are well developed in those who cannot see or hear. They depend on the senses of smell and touch. Our nose help us to identify the smell of object. The smell of object enters our nose through our nostrils. The nose have special smelling cells. तो special smelling cells present होते हैं हमारे nose में जो कि हमें help करते हैं to identify the smell. जैसे कि मम्मी ने घर में राजमा चावल बनाए हैं और आप डोर खोलते हो और आपको क्या आता है? स्मेल. राजमा चावल बने, हाँ मजा आ गया है ना. और वहीं कहीं से अगर आप गार्बेज के पास से जा रहे हो तो आपको कैसी स्मेल आती है? यू फील अ बैड ओडर, अनप्लेजेंट ओडर आती है और आप क्या करते हो? अपनी नोज को क्लोज कर लेते हो. People who are visually challenged use their sense of touch to read and write. There is a special system. तो जो लोग देख नहीं सकते हैं बच्चों, उनके अंदर सेंस ऑफ स्मेल एंड टच जो होती है वो बहुत अच्छे से डेवलप होती है. एंड दे रीड एंड राइट थ्रू अनदर सिस्टम विच इज कॉल्ड एज ब्रेल, which help them to read. It is a code in which raised dots represents letters and numbers. तो यहाँ पर क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? raised surfaces होते हैं जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं लेटर्स और नंबर्स को, और वो उसको टच करके ही पढ़ पाते हैं. We must be sensitive to the needs and feeling of differentially able people and try to help them. तो जो हमारी नोज है वो हमें हेल्प करती है टू स्मेल. तो स्मेल के सिग्नल नर्व्स लेके जाती हैं, कहां तक लेके जाती हैं? ब्रेन तक. ब्रेन फिर इंटरप्रेट करके बताता है वेदर इट इज अ प्लेजेंट स्मेल और एन अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल. The nerves in your nose have special endings that pick up the smell of the air you breathe. These nerves immediately send a signal to the brain. Brain reads the signal and tells you what kind of smell it is. It tells of good smell, things smells good or bad. So the sense of smell is the ability to identify things through the nose. Some people are sensitive or allergies to certain smells. They may not like the smell of certain kind of food. The people who cannot see, hear, talk or walk are called differentially abled people. Most people find the smell of room fresheners, deodorants and perfume very pleasant. लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि इस सारी स्मेल के लिए एलर्जिक होते हैं, तो उनको क्या होता है? स्नीजिंग शुरू हो जाती है एंड दे से गो आउट ऑफ द रूम, है ना, या वो खुद ही रूम के बाहर चले जाते हैं. Some people do not like the smell of certain perfumes. Some smells like garlic, fish, mustard oil is very strong. Some people will find them unpleasant while others find it pleasant. That is why some people enjoy some food while the others find it difficult to eat it. Some smells like that of a dead rat or a stagnant gutter are called foul smell. तो जो smell हमारे लिए pleasant नहीं होती, जिससे we are not comfortable with the smell, that is called as foul smell. Foul smells are unpleasant and injurious to health. People who cannot hear use sign language in which fingers and hands are used to form letters, words and sentences. All differentially able people should be given love, support and respect. Now have a look on revision time, children. Touch is the name given to the action of putting our fingers or hands on something. Brain tell us about the objects we have touched. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Some areas of our bodies are more sensitive than others. There are good and bad touches. Some people are allergic to certain smells. We should be sensitive to the needs of differentially abled people. A good touch makes us feel nice, warm and comfortable. A bad touch makes us uncomfortable, fearful and unsafe. Now see the exercise, children. Take the correct option. A bad touch makes us feel uncomfortable. People who cannot see or hear are called differentially abled people. We smell through our nose. The most sensitive part of our body is fingertips. We must clean our nose with our handkerchief. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Which is the largest organ of our body? It is the skin. Have a look on fill in the blanks, children. Nerve ending present in skin send dash to the brain, signals. Dash are present in all the sense organs, nerves. We must be sensitive to dash people, differentially abled people. Some parts of body are more sensitive than the others. We have taste buds all over our tongue. Write T for true and F for false. We cannot tell the color of painting by touching it. बिल्कुल सही बात है. This is true. The result of touch is called sensation. This is true. Some people are not sensitive and allergic to certain smell. This is false. The most sensitive part of our body is hand. No, this is again false. Taste buds are present on the eyes. False. There are good and bad touches. Yes, this is true. We have 6 sense organs. No, children, this is false. I hope you have understood this chapter nicely. Stay tuned for the new video. Till then, goodbye.